next up. This one's going to be quite a bit quicker, but it'll introduce us into the next step of things we need. So we just talked about the product life cycle and obsolescence, how that life cycle gets bigger or smaller. And now we're going to go on. There's two terms that are important for a product, the life cycle. So diffusion and suppression. You can read the definitions there, but diffusion is how the product gets put into the market, and suppression is how that gets activated, or maybe it gets overtaken and it slowly gets pushed out of the market. So diffusion is in, suppression is out. So this we're going to talk a little bit later about this product cycle of adoption, this Rogers product cycle of adoption. But this is where the product gets introduced in, and then it goes up, hey, look, I'm doing well, and then it's slowly suppressed and it's getting pushed out of the market. Okay? So diffusion is when it goes in and they accept it and the rate at which it gets accepted, versus suppression is whenever something gets pushed out or something gets moved away. So things sometimes are slow to market, sometimes patent issues, maybe it's not entirely pushed out, but where it just slowly goes in and it can be pushed out of the market eventually. So MTV, music, television, now I don't know if they have music anymore on it, but that was something that was different. These telephones, so technology slowly changed and moved it out. Okay, so that's it for that one. That was quick. Diffusion and suppression. We'll go in a little bit more talking about this cycle a little later, but for now, diffusion and suppression. Okay, so Rogers characteristics is up next.